Hey guys, so I know I haven't posted a while ago, so that's why I'm moving on to Dave and Bambi. Hooray! So I'm finished with Dave right here, so now I'm starting to work on Decimated Dave a bit. Yeah, so now I'm gonna work on Unhinged Dave. Unhinged Dave, yeah. So that's why I need to remove the legs and to replace them with new legs. And then I'm gonna start working on with algebra next. Fun fact, Unhinged is my favorite song. I forgot to, it just, Unhinged Dave is finished. All I need to do is get the gun. So so I'm just gonna make my own gun. What this? Blah, 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 blah. I know Dave doesn't shoot in these guns. Unhinged, I mean. Okay. It's going to go good. I guess. I'll make it move so it stands for Dave. Okay, this is messed up, well. So it looks like I'm done with the gun. Doesn't look good. So I'm gonna put it beside my face. So now it's time for Algebra Dave. And then we'll start working on David. Oops. Wait. He's starting to look like David, though. I could literally imagine Unhinged Dave shooting from his wheelchair right now. It would have been funny. Oh. Sorry, it was glitching for a sec. Okay, yep, I think I'm done with algebra. And I think something's missing. But don't worry about it. So I'm done with all of the... No. So I think I'm done with all the days here. I think algebra is the shortest. Because of its botany legs. Okay, yeah. And then we'll start working on David. Hooray! I'm not very excited at all, but I gotta keep the mood. Honestly, I forgot what David looks like. So I want to pause in that video for a moment. Yes, I found David right now. I don't like David that much, but so let's make him. So. Hurry up. Hurry up. Alright, we got him. So he got this. Oh wait, now I got to edit the hair again. I don't like it. Guess I gotta try. Yeah, I don't like David one bit. So yeah, let's edit the hair's color into this. Oops. Sorry, David. But I don't know what to say. And then we do the cones, and then we done. So now we did his hair. Looks pretty cussed though, but I don't care because I'm gonna fix it. You know what? I'm just gonna do nothing about it. Because I just got a lazy idea that I can just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oops. Yeah, not too much, I guess. Oops. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the sleeves. I'm gonna make it a bit dark though. So yeah. So we got these legs. And then we paint this orange. And we should be good done. So we done with all of the Daves. Is there still one more Dave? I don't know. What am I missing? Oh, the original Alpha Dave. Yeah, now I remember. Which absolutely not what I'm doing. He is Daddy Dearest, and it's gonna be very hard for me to do. So that's why I'm gonna make it in Dave version. The new Dave version. So what am I doing now? Is remaking Dave. Why not? I'm just gonna custom. So in this version, Dave is not, the Alpha Dave is not Daddy Dearest. But he looks like one. Not gonna lie, he kind of looks like Bambo though. Alright. I think the original Dave is done. But no, we still got the hair. We're almost running out of time, so I'm just gonna make it quick. And I'm not making the ads because the simp is gonna get him. So yeah, I think I'm done with all of the Daves. So yeah, bye now. So in the next speed one, I'm gonna make Bambi's. Or Bandu, I don't even know anymore. So, bye right now. Oh, and don't forget, there's something in the description below. It's about how to turn your